Welcome to Calming Habitat Diaries. It's a wintry day. Snow is pouring. Snow, ice, wintry mix pouring. And my husband has filled the bird feeder. As you know, Calming Habitat Diaries are family endeavor. My husband does all the technical details within the garden, and feeding the birds is one of his passions. Rain or shine or snow or ice, he will get there and fill the bird feeder. And as you can see, on a snowy day, many birds are taking their feed. Bird feeder is active, and we have added extra tray today because of snow. Many birds can come and eat, and we have added 2-3 platforms today for the purpose of snowy day and icy day to help the birds. As I said, my husband's passion is feeding the birds. I am fascinated by these birds, how united they are, how peaceful they are, how much they are sharing and sitting together and eating as a community. This gives me a peaceful inspiration of unity. This is what the nature teaches me today. Unity, community, serenity are the inspiration drawn from this natural occurrence with interaction with the human. Little human help goes a long way to protect the nature. Human helping is one kind of act, but respecting and acknowledging that help, taking that help from the nature is so rewarding occurrence. They are so vulnerable. They need us to protect them, feed them, nurture them, etc. Snow is flowing. Recording this for Calming Habitat Diaries. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and hype. Signing off. Have a nice day, nice snowy and wintry day. Bye for now.